Got some old styrofoam? Don't throw it away. In this video, I will show you how to make your own wood varnish from simple ingredients, styrofoam thinner, and a plastic container. Besides being cheap, this method is also environmentally friendly because it utilizes styrofoam waste which often becomes garbage. First, prepare used styrofoam and cut it into small pieces to make it easier to dissolve. Then, put the styrofoam pieces into a clean, thinner-resistant container, such as a plastic or glass jar. After that, pour enough thinner into the container until it covers the styrofoam pieces. Stir gently using a wooden stick or used spoon. Within a few minutes, the styrofoam will dissolve and turn into a thick, clear liquid. This is what we will use as wood varnish. This varnish is suitable for coating frames, tables, chairs, or other wooden items. The result is a glossy, water-resistant, and more durable wood finish. Very useful especially for home wood repair or finishing projects. Easy, right? With just a few simple ingredients, we can save a lot of money. Well, now the styrofoam has completely dissolved and turned into a thick liquid. Here is your homemade wood varnish ready to use. The texture is smooth, the color is clear, and it is very suitable for coating wood surfaces to make them shinier and more durable. We can apply it directly to frames, tables, or other furniture. It's cost-effective, and the results are just as good as factory-made varnish. This window frame has been standing in its place for decades. During that time, it was constantly exposed to the sun, rain, and harsh weather changes. Its surface now looks dull, the color has faded, and the wood is starting to show signs of small cracks. If left untreated, it is possible that this damage will get worse. The paint will peel, the wood will start to rot, and it could even attract termites. We've cleaned the entire surface of the frame of dust and dirt. This step is crucial for the varnish to adhere properly and penetrate the wood pores. Next, we begin applying the varnish evenly, using a soft brush and following the direction of the wood grain. This varnish is a mixture of styrofoam dissolved in thinner, resulting in a thick, clear liquid that can seal the pores of the wood and protect it from extreme weather. Although simple, this coating will make the wood surface more resistant to heat, rain, and humidity. The surface, which previously looked lifeless and dull, now begins to shine again. The wood looks alive, warm, and protected. With simple maintenance like this, we can extend the life of existing materials without having to buy new ones. This is not only about saving costs, but also a form of our appreciation for what has long protected this house. So, if you have old frames, sills, doors, or other wooden surfaces in your home, don't replace them just yet. Try to repair, maintain, and provide a protective layer like this. The results will be satisfying, and you will feel more proud because you did it yourself. And look at the results. The previously dull and damaged window frame now looks revived. The wood color is sharper, the grain is clearly visible, and the surface shines like it's been freshly coated with an expensive varnish. Not only is it beautiful, it's also weather-resistant and more durable. With simple materials like recycled styrofoam and thinner, we can create an effective wood finish. Small projects like this prove that maintaining your home doesn't have to be expensive. What matters is willingness, creativity, and consistency. Thank you for watching from start to finish. I hope this video inspires you to repurpose old items into something useful. See you in the next DIY project.